This is our crispy karipap. Let's break it. There you go. So crispy and so crunchy. Let's try. Oh, it's so crispy and so crunchy. This is good for coffee. To get this crispy layered pastry, you must remember a few tips. The secret, we call it 2216, means 2 part flour, 2 part butter in order to make this oil dough. You need 1 part flour, 60 ml water to make this water dough. Combine this and roll these 2 dough to make the crunchy texture. Oh yes, before we forget, rest the 2 dough in the fridge for 15 minutes in between the rolling and the folding time. If you like our video, please subscribe and share and give the comment below.